Do you have auto hail damage? Got dents? If so, you can get it repaired for $0 out of pocket with free car rental. And by law, your insurance rate cannot be increased due to acts of nature. Dentwerks is a 5-star Google-rated, family-owned and operated paintless dent repair shop. Unlike traditional auto body repair and painting, which lowers the resale value, our process doesn't destroy or void your factory finish, which maintains the value of your vehicle. Restoring your auto with Dentwerks is easy and convenient. We'll come to your home or office on your schedule to pick up and drop off your vehicle. We'll even file the paperwork and meet with your claims adjuster. You must hurry though. Don't get caught in a second hailstorm or have an accident before repairing the existing damage. The insurance company will most likely rate your vehicle a total loss. Give us a call today at 972-807-2414 or visit us online at dentwerkspro.com. Dentwerks Auto Hail Repair. Paintless dent repair from the folks who care.